Hi everyone, I'm Bodine Victoria and today I'm going to be showing you how to pull apart a land crab. This is a female land crab and I'm going to start by taking a knife and I'm going to be pulling the end flap off. You got to be careful, okay? Now I am going to pull the body off of the crab. If you notice, the legs have already been removed, and now I'm going to separate that bottom part from the top shell. If you notice, I'm taking a knife and I'm trying to carefully move the innards. This crab is not a fattened, completely purged crab, but I ain't dead. Okay, and if you notice, I was very careful because behind here there is, if you look, you see that some other liquid actually released. That's where the gallbladder is. So traditionally that's where the bitterness of a boiled crab comes from. I'm going to be removing the mouth pieces from the crab because I want to save the shell to use it a little bit later. So you want to carefully do that as well, very carefully, and rinse out the shell. Now I'm just going to remove whatever else is on the inside of the crab, and I'm going to pull the rest of the mouthpiece off. This is important because unless you're eating, let's say, a crab and dough where you eat the crab whole, you really don't want the pieces that I'm pulling off, like the gills and the additional flaps, in whatever it is that you're cooking, okay? Different recipes call for different things, and you got to remove these if you're going to be using the crab body. Now, like I said, this crab wasn't a particularly well purged crab. I thought it was, but you never really know until you open it unless you feed them yourself. So I'm going to show you after I finish pulling these things off. The first picture is going to be a crab that's on its way to being purged really well. All right, this is the clean crab back. So this is almost purged crab, and the next picture you're going to see is a pretty purged crab, and I'm so jealous. I need that.